a day off today. Hooray! Look, how many children are there in the park today? They are having a good time. John is driving a car. Look at his happy face. Sam is making a sandcastle. Lucy is painting a picture. Ben is flying a kite over there. Tony is riding a bike. Michael and his friends are playing basketball. Robert and David are playing soccer. But George is not playing or riding. He is sleeping. Oh, where is Paul? Is he eating a hot dog? No, he isn't. He is climbing. He can climb very well. Well, to say what people are doing now, use the present continuous tense. Ben is flying a kite. In the negative sentences, use not. George is not playing. He is sleeping. In the questions, use am, is, or are before the subject. Is Paul eating a hot dog? You can use now or at the moment at the end of the sentences. For example, Tony is riding a bike now. In the present continuous tense, verbs have the ending ing. Pay your attention how to add the ending ing to the verbs. Ben is lying in the sun. Lie. George is not making a sandcastle. Make. Is Paul swimming? Swim. Read ng in the ending ng. Lying. Making. Swimming. Ben is lying in the sun. George is not making a sandcastle. Is Paul swimming? There is a difference between n and n. The letter n makes the sound ng only before the letter g. Song, sing, eating. The letter n makes the sound n when it is not before the letter g. Pen, Henry, can. So you know how to talk about actions happening now and about the sounds and n. Can you say what you are doing right now? It's also a good idea to practice and do some tasks.